Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose App Management over here. Then click on App Cloner and tap on one of your available apps, in my case only Facebook. Then click on the switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Now you can click on Rename App Clone and rename your app however you wish to. I will go with Facebook too. Then choose Save and click Home button. Now when I access my menu, as you can see, Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!